Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add voting system in Trello. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just be in the menu and then click here on power up. And when you are here, you want to write voting and just click add this board. Okay, I don't really care. When I click on it, you can see it here, the voters, how it works. Voting. Okay. You see it here, actions vote, and you can vote if you like it. I thought they are going to put it also here, but they didn't. So this is just, you can vote. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.